Welcome, here I've got HUAWEI P20 Pro and let me show you how to turn on and off camera mirror effect at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode with back camera. To get access to mirror effects here, we have to change back camera to the front one, so let's do it by simply tapping on this button from the right. Now here we are. From here let's go up to the right corner button so we can open camera settings. And here in capture settings category, at the first place now we have mirror reflection option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn off and turn on camera mirror effect as we need. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.